Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Myself, Dr. M. Purushottam Reddy, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of CSC. Today, we are going to discuss about Strachan's matrix multiplication in design and analysis of algorithms. So, first here we are going to discuss about the multiplication of two matrices. A is a matrix of order n by n, B is a matrix of order n by n. By multiplying these two matrices, we get the matrix C of order n by n. So, what is the rule to multiply any two matrices? The rule for multiplying any two matrices is the number of columns in first matrix is equal to the number of rows in second matrix. So, for example, here A is a matrix of 2 by 3, B is a matrix of 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Now here A has 2 rows and 3 columns. B has 3 rows and 2 columns. These two matrix, is it multiple or not? Now here the number of columns in matrix A is 3. The number of rows in matrix B is 3. Both are equal. So is it possible? Yes. Is it possible to multiply A and B? Means yes. Possible to multiply this A and B, and we get the multiplied matrix C as here this number of columns and rows get cancel. Here number of rows columns both are same, is here number of rows taken from matrix A, it is order 2. Here number of columns taken from matrix B, 2 by 2. We get 2 by 2 resultant matrix. So once again listen, here whenever we are going to multiply two matrices, the rule is the number of columns in first matrix is equal to the number of rows in second matrix. The result matrix get the number of rows from first matrix, the number of columns from second matrix. So here traditional matrix formula is Cij equal to summation over k equal to 1 to n aik into bkj. The traditional matrix multiplication formula is T of n equal to big O of nq. Next here, the divide and conquer strategy. So how to multiply this traditional matrix? So this is a resultant matrix C. This is first matrix A. This is second matrix B. So first matrix A, it consists of 4 elements. Second matrix is also consists of 4 elements. So first matrix is of order 2 by 2. The second matrix is of order 2 by 2. The resulting matrix, it consists also 2 by, here the number of columns in first matrix is equal to the number of rows in second matrix. So the resultant matrix is of order 2 by 2. Now here we observe that how to multiply these two matrices. Now the first element, how to get this C11, how to get means the first row into first column. First row value is A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21. So C11 equal to A11 plus A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21. C12 means first row into second column. A11 into B12 plus A12 into B22. This is C12 value. C21 means here second row into first column. C21 equal to A21 into B11 plus A22 into B21. This is C21 value. Next, C22. C22 value is equal to second row into second column. A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22. So this is the usual multiplication of any given matrix. Now here we observe that here how many multiplications we made in this usual multiplication. How many additions we will make in this usual multiplication? So here totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 multiplication. 4 additions we made. Generally, this multiplication takes more space and more time to compute. So this more multiplications is there means it takes more time complexity to multiply these matrices. It occupies more space to store this multiplication. So now here it takes 8 multiplications. So we reduce by using Strasson's matrix multiplications. We reduce the number of multiplications. Whenever we reduce the number of multiplication, automatically the time complexity of Strasson's matrix multiplication decreases. So now we divide that multiplications into 2. That means here T of n equal to 8 into T of n by 2 plus a n square. A n square, this is for additions. So totally big O of n cube is the time complexity of this usual multiplication. Next we come to Strasson's matrix. Here this is the example for general multiplication. Now here this is the resultant matrix. This is the A matrix. This is B matrix. This is the resultant matrix. So this first matrix consists of 4 by 4 order. Second matrix also consists of 4 by 4. By using that rule, previous rule, we calculate these values. By using that 8 additions, we calculate C11, C12, C21, C22 values. And we're substituting all these values in this C11, C12, C22, C21, C22 values, we get this matrix. So it takes so much of time to calculating the multiplication of this given two matrices. How to reduce the number of multiplications in the given matrix? We see in this Strasson's matrix multiplication. So in this Strasson's matrix multiplication, it takes 7 multiplications and 18 additions or subtractions. That means here one multiplication value reduced whenever comparing with usual multiplication. So here P equal to the first element, P equal to, use the formula A11 plus A22 into B11 plus B22. Q equal to A21 plus A22 into B11. R equal to A11 into B12 minus B22. S equal to A22 into B21 minus B11. T equal to A11 plus A12 into B22. U equal to A21 minus A11 into B11 plus B12. So here we see this is the matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. B11, B12, B21, B22. Now here P value A11, A22, A11, A22, A11 plus A22 into B11 plus B22 cross. Q value is B11 into means here we add these opposite values. Here A21. So here first row means here we choose second row values. A21 plus A22. Now similarly R value is A11. A11 means here we choose second here this column values and also choose minus value. A21 minus B21 minus B11. B22 means second row here we choose first column, first row. B22 equal to A11 plus A12. Next U. A21 minus A11 into B11 A21 minus A11 minus A21 minus A11 into B11 plus B12. B11 plus B12. That is first row. Now V equal to formula is A12 minus A22 into B21 plus B22. Now C equal to formula is that C11 means the first element of resultant matrix, that equal to formula is P plus S minus T plus V. C12 equal to formula is R plus T. C21 equal to Q plus S. C22 equal to formula is P plus R minus Q plus U. So these are the formulas to calculate all these 4 elements. Here we use only 7 multiplications and 18 additions or subtractions. So here we reduce one multiplication whenever comparing with the usual multiplication. So it takes less time to calculate matrix multiplication whenever comparing with usual multiplication. So now this is the procedure for calculating Station's matrix multiplication. You begin if n equal to 2. Now calculate a11, c11, c11, c12, c21, c22 values. So if n value is more than that one, we split that matrix into sub matrices and we calculate that matrices. So that's why here we call this Station's matrix matrix function recursively, and we divide that matrices into n by 2 sub matrices. N by 2 sub matrices. Just finally, using this C11, C12, C21, C22 formula, we calculate that all that 4 values in the resultant matrix. Next, Station's matrix multiplication, time complexity value. So how to calculate this time complexity value? Here we see that T of n equal to 7 into T of n by 2. Here we use 7 multiplication, so write 7 into T of n by 2 plus n square, a n square. This is for additions or multiplication or subtractions values. We use n square time. B is the constant value whenever n value is less than or equal to. This value is whenever n greater than or equal to greater than. Now T of n equal to 7 into T of n by 2 plus a n square. Now this 7 T of n by 2, this is also in the form of T of n. So again use the same formula, 7 into T of n by 2 by 2, that value is n by 4 plus a n by 2 whole square plus a n square, previous value. 7 into 7, 7 square T of n by 2 square plus here 7 into here n by 4. So 7 by 4 a n square plus a n square. So again this T of n by 2 square is also in the form of T of n. So again use the same formula. We apply the same formula. So 7 into T of n by 2. N by 4 by 2 means n by 8. N by 8 to write n cube. 2 cube. Plus a into n by 4 whole square. Plus 7 by 4 a n square plus a n square. Which is equal to 7 cube. 7 into 7, 7 cube. T of n by 2 cube plus here 7 square, here 4 square, 7 by 4 whole square a n square plus 7 by 4 a n square plus a n square. And so repeating like this. Here 3 times you get a cube. Suppose you repeating this one some k times. We get that value as 7 power k into T of n by 2 power k plus here a n square taken as common. We get this value as 1 plus 7 by 4 plus 7 by 4 whole square plus and so on plus 7 by 4 whole power k minus 1 times. Now here we choose k equal to n equal to 2 power k. N equal to 2 power k. Now n equal to 2 power k means 7 power k equal to log n base 2. Now this value write it as 7 power k can be written as 7 power log n base 2 plus into T of n value is 2 power k. 2 power k get cancelled. T of 1 plus a n square. Now this is the form of equation 1 plus 7 by 4 plus 7 by 4 whole square plus and so on. Now this is the form of geometric series. Now here we see that using that geometric series is 7 power k minus 1 into t of n by 2 power k minus 1 in plus an square. This is the form of geometric progression. That geometric progression is here. Here a value is r value is 7 by 4. 7 by 4 whole power n minus k minus 1 or k minus 2 k minus 1 minus 1 r minus 1 by here a into r minus 1 by r power k minus 1 by r minus 1. R minus 1 is 7 by 4 minus 1 using that geometric progression formula. Now this t of 1 here n equal to substitute 2 power k. Here 7 power k here again. Here 2 power k. So 7 power k into this is t of 1 plus an square, or we'll take here an square into, we substitute this value here. Here approximately this value is equal to 7 by 4 whole power k. 7 power n equal to 2 power k means k equal to log n base 2. So log n base 2 into t of 1 value is b plus an square 7 by 4 log n base 2, which is less than or equivalent to so 7 power log n base 2, this also can be written as 2 power or n power, we'll take this n base, we write it as n power log 7 base 2. So n power b into n power log 7 base 2 plus, we write it as simply c into n power, we'll send this 7 upper, so log 7 base 2. Approximately we write it. Now which is equal to b plus c into n power log 7 base 2, which is equal to big O of, you write this one as big O of n power log 7 base 2. Log 7 base 2 value is 2.81. Big O of 2 power 2.81. Big O of n power 2.81. So this is the time complexity of this traceless matrix multiplication algorithm. So once again listen. So here t of n. So 7 into here we made 7 multiplications. 7 into t of n by 2 plus an square. 7 multiplications plus this a into n square is the number of additions for n greater than 2. B is the constant for n less than or equal to 2. So t of n equal to 7 into t of n by 2 plus an square. So again this t of n is in the form of t of n by 2 is the form t of n. So again we use the same formula, we get this equation. So again t of n by 2 square, this is also the form of t of n. Again we apply the same formula recursively, we get this equation. So repeating 3 times we get power 3. Suppose repeating this one k times, we get this equation. So in place of n we substitute 2 power k. Substituting this one, we get this equation. B into here, we get substituting this equation, and also here we see that this is geometric progression. So geometric progression, so 1 plus and so on plus 7 by 4 whole power k minus 2 means this is the form of 1 plus ar plus ar square plus and so on. The formula is a into r power here r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So substitute that formula. Using that formula, we calculate the sum of the series of that geometric progression. So 7 power k minus 1 into b, an square into, we get this value. So which is approximately less than equal to b into 7 power k plus c n square into 7 by 4 whole power k. So now using this formula, 7 power here n equal to 2 power k, we get this one is k equal to log n base 2. Now here 7 power log n base 2, it is also can be written as n power log 7 base 2. We substitute that value here. And also here we take b and c values common. So here 7 power log n is the same. So here we take b plus c into n power log 7. So you write this is in terms of big O rotations, you write it as big O of n power log 7 base 2. Big O of n power log 7 base 2. Log 7 base 2 value is 2.81. Big O of n power 2.81 is the time complexity of Strassen's matrix multiplication. Thanks to everyone.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.